Hey you guys, so today I wanted to show you guys how to make 3 different lip scrubs. These lip scrubs are gonna go on my website at Naturally D's Collection, so make sure you guys check those out before these are gone. I'm only gonna make 3 of each right now, but the ingredients that I'm gonna put into my scrubs is I have some melted shea butter and cocoa butter in here, and then castor oil, and then I have a big jug of grapeseed oil, and some sugar, and some vitamin E oil. So these are the ingredients, the main ingredients that are gonna make this scrub. But one flavor is going to be the birthday cake, and I'm going to put some edible sprinkles in there to make it a little festive. And then I'm going to make another caramel lip scrub, and then I am going to do a peppermint lip scrub. I've been wanting to try the peppermint lip scrub because I like the tingling feeling, so it's gonna be my first time trying that one. So first I'm just gonna make the base. So I'm going to put sugar. Now, to be honest, I do not have any measurements. I just make it as I go. I just kind of eyeball it. Okay, so I'm gonna put, now whatever is left over of the lip scrub, I am going to just use for my personal use. So as I mix this, I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about my business. I have started my entrepreneur lifestyle series. If you guys want to know more about my business, go to that first video. But I sell body oils, lip glosses, chapsticks, and lip scrubs. As of right now, I am going to add more soaps. Not more soaps. I'm going to add soaps to my store very, very soon as well. So now I'm going to put in some castor oil. I absolutely love castor oil. It's just so healing, and it gives your lips a nice shine while, protecting your lips. So the consistency I'm looking for is like really wet sand in a sense. Now, not like drenched. I don't want the oils just oozing out of the scrubs. I hate scrubs like that. But I want it to be a wet consistency so it could stick to your lips as you're scrubbing it. I'm gonna put a little bit of grapeseed oil. So yeah, so soon I am going to be adding soaps to my collection. If you guys don't already know, I used to have a business where I just sold soaps, but I kind of wanted to branch off into different, what is the word? Just kind of wanted to branch off more into cosmetics, but still at the same time do body care as well. So this is the consistency that I'm liking. Now I always test it on the back of my hand to see if I would really like the consistency, if it's too greasy, or I'm gonna add a little more sugar. Shall leave it like that. Let me go wash my hands real quick. Okay, so now that I like this consistency, yeah, I'm gonna like that consistency. Okay, so now I am going to separate it into 2 different bowls. only making 3 of each. This one comes a little bit more. Okay. Okay, so now that I have my 3 separate ones, I am going to first do the peppermint one. I'm not going to put any colors in any of these. Wait to try this one. I really can't. It's very, very minty. And now I'm gonna put just a little drop of vitamin E oil. Okay, I'm gonna mix that in. Now my scrubs, I want to eat them. I mean, the flavoring is safe, but I just want to eat them just because it has shea butter. I know cocoa butter is edible, but I don't know. I'm just not a fan of eating scrubs, I guess you could say. Ooh, I like that. Alright, I'm gonna put like a couple more drops, and then I'll put them in the container. Okay. So these little containers, I did sterilize them already. Should have left the lids on. Ooh. Caramel flavoring. So this flavor is caramel apple, but it smells more caramel than caramel apple to me. Oh god, that smells so good. DJ Phantom. I have 3 beautiful lip scrubs, and of course the recipe could be it could be to your liking, or you know, maybe someone's allergic to something, so you substitute it. So whatever you want, you guys could make your scrubs the way you guys want them with whatever oils. But if you guys want to try out my lip scrubs, please go to Naturally D's collections, and I'll put that in the description box below. So you guys just make sure you guys please give a thumbs up, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and please share this video with any ladies or men who want to make lip scrubs. Alrighty guys, I love you and thank you. Bye.